Yo, Jamaica, it's like we curse because it's either we are the best or we are the worst. Some man no easy, it's like them a run down the earth with them pocket mine or them purse thirst. Some man and them menses are just some weak fences. Them think them smart, but them lack all senses. Me see the one bad boy Trevor turn mad boy Trevor. Swear him smooth and think him clever. The man call up some shorty and a keep pool party. Well, it's more of a fool party because them life it could have cost it. Me I tell you the truth, me I wonder if I brave them brave. If some man are just some real pum slave. It's like a them grave, them a crave. A COVID them a take for joke and see them now, them in up a coat. Garfield raid, they da move with speed. This him couldn't believe, so him pull off with such great ease. So the party a kick and him a go on breeze. On the pool side, him a go on all the vibes. Thinking everything Chris and the system him this. But him never realize, said this one, the police them never miss. The cops run in, but them never find a machine. Just over 50 adults I behave like some preteen. It was a girl farm Sunday, was send them a prison Monday. Up a plantation nights, them try pull their eyes. But bad boy Trevor and him friend pay the ultimate price. Liquor get seized, freedom get squeezed. Now, bad boy Trevor in a familiar spot. You don't know that a dunk on him knees. It's like the man them not learn. Yo, the man them not show no concern. I better things change when them freedom are pocket burn. Now the other day me see Ellie, pon the socials, in the paper, pon the telly, with a lame apology. I try sell it. The man waste him energy at the folly, then turn round and a ball say him sorry. It's like the man rob Harry and turn toddler. Big man a tell lie pan declaration paper. Yo, the elephant flying and say quarantine enough for him. Well, as far as me concerned, we need a zoo if you lock him in. And if the cops don't want to move in, we just call in, right again. You zine?
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.